In this video, I will show you how to delete Apple Maps data on your iPhone. To get started, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Once you have the app open, look for the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Now, tap on Offline Maps. Here, you'll see any maps that you've downloaded for offline use. For example, if there's a map of Los Angeles downloaded that's taking up 636 megabytes, it's easy to identify what needs to be managed. If there are offline maps that are no longer needed or used frequently, they can be deleted. To delete an unused offline map, simply tap on that map. You will see an option labeled Delete Map. Tap this option and confirm your choice. By following these steps, any unnecessary offline maps can be removed from your device, freeing up valuable storage space. But that's not all, there's another way to manage data associated with Apple Maps. Exit out of the Apple Maps app and head over to your Settings app. Scroll down a bit until you find General. Tap on it and then select Software Update. If there is a software update available for your iPhone, go ahead and install it. Keeping your device updated can help improve performance and fix potential issues related to apps like Apple Maps. After updating, check if this resolves any problems you were experiencing with Apple Maps or if it helps in managing data better. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.